Hello and welcome to this tutorial on volume. Let's look at some 3D shapes: a cube, a cuboid, a triangular prism, a pentagonal prism, a triangular-based prism, a square-based prism, a cone and a cylinder. Volume is the amount of space taken by a 3D shape. Different equations are used to work out the volume of different 3D shapes. Volume is closely related to area. Let's look at the area of a rectangle. The formula is length times width. A rectangle is a 2D shape. Let's look at the volume of a rectangular prism or cuboid, which is a 3D shape. The volume of a cuboid is length, width times height. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11+ practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.